Hello, good evening, all of you. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Okay, good. Just can you please, any response? Can you please put in a chat window? That should be good. My name is Venkati Kurte, and I'm in industry for last 30 years, working with various capacities. And this session is exclusively for like SAS training session. It's a long-term training session, almost close to 30 days, 32 days, something like this. So in this session, what I'm going to explain all these things is how is our sessions. The first thing is. Second thing is like when the student wants to enter into corporate, what is required to enter into corporate? Suppose if you are a student and you want to get a job, what is required? Second one, already you are a employee and you want to sharpen, you want to strengthen your job, you want to secure your job, then definitely this training session is useful for them. Okay, then when you go to the next slide like this, always my concept here is very simple. Another meaning of real happiness is quality education. See, success and excuses do not talk together. If you want excuses, forget about success. If you want success, do not give any excuses. Our session is time is very important. 5:30 means 5:30. There is no exception on this side. Say triangle of success. This is the most important word, particularly people who wants to enter into corporate. See, when you see the triangle of success, people call it as ask. Ask means A represents attitude, S represents skills, K represents knowledge. All these things is required to get into corporate. Now, for our session, so this is like a virtual classroom session. Virtual classroom. You can see, you are able to see my face, and because of course because of these bandwidth issues, I'm not encourage people to open your videos, not necessarily. So generally, it's a classroom, virtual classroom. Mute your audio all the time. For better results, use headset. Raise your hand option, or in a chat window you can type all the questions. Okay, enter the questions in our chat window. These are all basic principles in our classes. We want to make these classes is more productive sessions. That's the reason we put this session by 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. 7:30 p.m. That's the reason, because after classes, this is more comfortable time for the people. Okay. Now, regarding this, some people asking, "Oh, what is your qualification? What is your experience, etc." This is little bit, I'm from Guntur. Now I am a US citizen. Okay. It's a big pharma company, so many years. 20 years, not even 20 years, 22 years in a big pharma companies. 10 years I worked as a lecturer here in India. like you know I'm a visiting professor for a lot of American and as well as Indian universities. Okay, we conducted thousands of training sessions across the globe. Most of our students is working in Fortune 500 companies. This is little bit about my experience. Okay, that means I have both industry experience as well as academic experience. So that is the reason our training sessions is going to reduce a gap between industry and education. It's going to reduce a gap. We want to reduce the gap, industry and education. That is our main concept here. And of course, this is like a New York next meeting. We are the winners. Especially in the New York, it's me. This is me actually. Now, of course, this is now I'm with this company as a manager in Bayer Pharmaceuticals. See, this is duration is, I told you, like initially I put it like 30 days. Depending upon presentations, depending upon questions, it may increases to 10% more. It may be like 33 days. Sure. Start date is today, May 3rd, 2021. Timings evening 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. This is the schedule for this session. Okay. Now, when you see this, this is my class schedule. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. No exceptions. Sunday, no class. This is 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Couple of people are joining from US also. Of course, they have like a morning, like, time is like around 7:30 morning, the daytime, but they are okay with that. But yourself is 5:30 to 7:30 Indian Standard Time. That is, these are all the schedules, class schedule. Now, when you see all these sessions, we are going to work with Zoom.us, that is the site. That you join in the site, same thing like that, web conferences, mode of the class. Even in this pandemic situation, we are not encouraging people to come to personally with my class, because I have offices in both the US as well as at Guntur. Right now, I am at Guntur office. So the but at this point, no, we are not encouraging people to come to class, in-person class. Everything is online for next 2 months. That one. And what we are going to cover here is the syllabus. See, this is the I changed it. I modified this session into 4 sections: section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4. What ex, what exactly section 1 is going to do? Access and create data structures. See, I know a lot of people in this, almost like 37 people joined in this meeting. In this, most of them are pharmacy background. Some people with the statistics background, some with the MBA background, some with engineering background, some with the graduates degree with the statistics or mathematics or computers science. See, create access and create data structures. See, always think about why we want to learn SAS. Why we want to learn SAS. This whole presentation is explain why we want to learn. In this curriculum, we are section 1 contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chapters, 6 presentations. Each presentation duration is probably like 60 to 120 minutes, depending upon that. 60 to 120 minutes. We have a presentations, we have a lab sessions, everything is there. You need to work on that side. That is one thing. Okay, this is the first section. Create temporary and permanent SAS data sets, investigate SAS data libraries using base SAS utility procedures, how to access the data, and combining SAS data sets, manipulating SAS dates, control which observation and variables in a SAS data set are processed and output. These are all the first section we are going to. Then after completion of this session, we are going to provide you some project. Some project means some work and lab sessions, and we are giving a lot of homework also. That's one thing is. Next, second chapter. This is a big section actually. Sort the observations, conditionally execute statements, conditional executing. So we are going to put some conditions. If sex is equal to male, do this. If sex is equal to female, do this. In pharmaceutical companies, in clinical trials, we are going to identify the sex first. If the sex is equal to, just example I'm telling you, sex is equal to female, we need to test the pregnancy test. If the pregnancy test is positive, we want to exclude. If the pregnancy test is negative, we want to negative, we want to include that person. Suppose if sex is equal to male, don't do pregnancy test. Depending upon that, conditionally, we are going to check all these things. Okay, modify the variables, accumulate subtotals and totals using data step. See, these are all 10 presentations here in section 2. Then section 2, there is a project, lab sessions, and homework that is mandatory, and error handling. Identify, resolve programming logical errors. Errors are there. We want to identify the error, and we want to eliminate those errors. Eliminate those errors. Recognize and correct syntax errors. Recognize and correct syntax errors. See, these are all section 3. The most important part is similarly lab sessions and what type of errors, like syntax errors, logical errors, data errors, etc. Everything is there. Everything is there itself. That is for section 3. Then section 4 is reporting. Create list reports using print procedure, frequencies, enhance reports using so and so with output delivery system, I want to export the data also. These are all the four sections in my training sessions. So we have like so much of material and presentations, PowerPoint presentations, labs, exercises, etc., everything. So this is the our approach is like this. And after completion of this session, you need to take SAS certified base programmer for SAS 9.4 credential that you want to take the exam. So target audience. See, when you see this one, the ideal certification for those relatively new to SAS programming or new to SAS certification, people like you, relatively new to SAS programming or new to SAS certification. See, exam ID is this much, A00231. Number of questions is 40 to 45 questions. Your time limit is 135 minutes to complete the examination. Passing score is not 35 or 40%, 725. That means 72.5 percentage is required to qualifying the examination. Price is 180 US dollars. That is the price. That is the price. See, again, I'm going back here. Is suppose if I have a medical problem, for example, if I'm going to check with the doctors, a doctor has a 50% success rate in that operations. Another doctor has a 60%, another one with 100%. Whom you are going to choose? Definitely 100%. Same thing here also. Whatever you are going to get 100% of knowledge, then only you are able to get a job. You are able to get not with 40%, not with 50%, 100%, at least 90%, then you are able to get a job. That is our concept is here. I told you first onwards, the another meaning of real happiness is quality education. Quality education. So that is the reason we want to provide a quality, first of all. And at the same time, a lot of work culture, work ethics. See, I got my graduation long time back with mathematics. On the time, I wrote three examinations. One is law examination. Other one is BED examination. I mean, BED with mathematics. Third one is MSc. I got law seat. I got a BEd seat also. And of course, I got my master's also. I joined in master's. A couple of my friends, my classmates, they started a BEd teacher with 397 rupees on the time. On the time. Now they are all making 1.5 lakhs per month. See, that means a person starting his career with 400 rupees, now it is 1.5, 1.6, 400 times. Probably they may work for another 10 years. Their salary is 200,000, I mean 2 lakhs. So 500 times the salary got increases. I have two students with the BTech or MS statistics or M pharmacy or B pharmacy. Both are graduated in 2021. Another one person got a job immediately. Another person got job after 1 year. Age is same almost. Both are going to retire at the age of 60. The first person service is like 35 years. Second one is 34 only because 1 year he lost it now here. If you make 4,000 rupees as a starting salary, 4,000, not 40,000, 4,000, at the time of retirement, 100 times increases. That means 4 lakhs per year, 4 into 12, 48 lakhs. So the first person is getting 1 year additional salary. That means 12 into 4, 48. Second person is lost 48 lakhs. That is the concept behind it is long-term visionary is required to get a success. So I'm a data scientist, I'm a statistician. Say per year, 52 weeks, each week 40 hours, 52 multiplied with 40, that becomes 2080 hours. 80 hours is for our entertainment. I told you 48 lakhs divided by 2000, that becomes 2400. So after completion of your graduation, if you are wasting 1 hour, you are losing 24 100 rupees. I'm not talking about India. I'm not talking about America. I'm not talking about, Australia. I'm talking only in India. If suppose if the people like me, if I want to take the classes in US, I'm charging an hourly basis. Hourly basis, I'm going to charge. See, because of the corporate social responsibility, or I born here, I studied here, I want to take some classes. So I'm requesting all of you, don't waste your time. Get a certified, get an additional course. If you're a pharmacy student, if you want to enter into corporate, if you want to go to clinical trials and drug development, a pharmacy, I'm telling you, you know what is metabolism, what is toxicology, adverse event, washout period, all these things, you know that. Better to learn this programming. Clinical trials has programming. You are one step ahead compared to other people. Coming back to statistics, MSc statistics students, having with statistics knowledge is good, absolutely, but you don't know programming knowledge. Better to learn programming language. Without statistics, nobody is going to take a wise decision. Because, for example, I have two type of pens here. I want to prove which one is better. Statistics is required. What is the relationship between these two, hypertension and blood pressure? Statistics is required. What is hypertension? What is blood pressure? Probably medical graduates, pharmacy graduates know about it. Because if you want to get a job, overall growth is required. Overall knowledge is required. So for that case, better to learn those things. Get a certificate. Get a certificate. So this is the certification examination. Fees is $180. You need to pay to SAS Institute, not us. We have some success rate here. 413, today is May 3rd. See, this guy got certified, SAS Global Certification. What is passing score is, I told you, 725. Your score is 939. 939. Just yesterday, I mean, day before yesterday, he wrote the examination pass. So that is the one thing. Certification, we have like 100% success rate. This is the certification sample certificate. The most important is Friday, April 30, he took the examination. Certification verification number. See, when you see this one, when you go to this link, in this link, type this verification number, you will find this name. You will find this name. That is the advantage. That is the beauty of this global recognized certification. That means whenever you are going, wherever you are going, you need to show this certificate contains this verification number as well as this link. Then immediately they are going to check whether this guy is certified or not. If we have a certification, I don't want to say, oh, you will get a 100% job, but I can say 100% you will get an interview. If you are good at communication, you are going to sell yourself in the right direction, yes, you are able to get a job. So having with the certification is one step ahead compared to other people. That is pretty much is clear. Suppose these are all the certification symbols, you are going to get it. Certified base programmer, certified advanced programmer, certified clinical trials programmer, etc., etc., etc. These are all the certifications, like your MSc, like your this certificate emblem, that helps you a lot to grab the interviews. Next one is, of course, this is my certificate. And also select who is your faculty. That's also very important. I'm giving another one is, if you are at the right guru, right teacher, whatever you are doing is correct. If you are at a wrong teacher, if you are at a wrong guru, whatever you are doing is wrong. So that is the reason I'm always, all the time I'm asking, hey, which college you are from? Hey, who is your professor? Depending upon that, we can smell those type of things. Okay, so this is me. Venkatekwata is mine. I got my certification in 2008, almost like 12, 13 years back. So this is for base programming, and similarly advanced also I have it. There are so many certifications are available here. When you see this one, see SAS Foundation, it has like a certified base programmer, advanced clinical trials. Suppose a people with like a pharmacy background, people with the statistics background, this is the best. These three are the best. Of course, everybody needs base and advanced. In addition to that, certified business intelligence, content developer, a MBA graduate is good here itself. SAS certified predictive modeler and statistical business analyst, MSc statistics people are enough here. Certified data integration developer, a BTech person, an engineering person, So like this is, so this is for every person, not exclusively for pharmacy students, not exclusively for statistics, not exclusively for this. So every person is a software. It's like a MS Office. And who is Windows? Who is using Windows? Every company is using Windows. Same thing like every company. 92%, 93% of Fortune 500 companies, they are using this software. See, 93%. That one word is enough. I will show you that one also next slides. See, certification advantages. Think about why you want certification. Say, validate your skills. Somebody is going to validate your skills and earn recognition of your knowledge. Increase your, excuse me, increase your value to employer. Enhance your credibility as a SaaS professional. That's advantage. Get a digital badge. I told you the certificate, digital badge. All these things. That's the advantages of this certification. And certification, top 10 reasons. See, improve your skills and expertise simply by going through process of preparing SaaS examination, even long-time SaaS users, etc. Industry validation, they are going to test it. Boost your earning power. You will definitely will get better salary compared to other people, I'm sure. When you any SaaS credential, you will get a digital badge. So all these things, you will get an advantage once you have a certification, SaaS certification. So SaaS certified individuals can be listed in a directory of SaaS certified professionals, which can be easily accessed by employers to validate your credentials. Tomorrow, when you are sending your resume, they are going to check it. They are going to go with your validation number and validation link. They are going to check it. So then you are going to get an interview. You are going to get an interview. Lot of times what happens, simply somebody is going to put a symbol without not doing anything. No, that's not good. You need to provide your verification number, your identification number and link and certificate, everything. Then they are going to validate it. Yes, this guy is certified for sure. Then you will get an interview. That, of course, just like your BTech. Nowadays, if you go to JNTU, they are going to provide you the link. They are going to check your name in that university website. Similarly, this is a global recognized certifications. Okay, that is one thing. I want to explain these things. And why we want to learn? Why? SaaS is the leader in analytics. Leader is number one for sure. 40 years of analytical innovation. 147 countries, they are using SaaS. SaaS software is installed more than 83,000 businesses across the globe. 92 of top 100 companies in 2018 Fortune Global listed SaaS customers. 3.27 billions revenue. R&D is 26%. Whatever the money they are getting, 26% of the money goes to development. Microsoft is spending only less than 10%. That means how powerful it is. That's important. As of now, FDA reviewers use SaaS software to analyze clinical trials data for drug development process. So as of now, FDA is using SaaS. That means 100% of pharma and biotechnology companies, they must use SaaS software. For them, there is no option. And data analyst or data scientist, there are plenty of jobs are available. More than 2 million positions relates to data analyst across the globe. Even if you go to IIT Chennai, they are mentioning that even India itself, 2 crores of jobs. 2 crores of jobs are available only in India itself. So data analyst to data scientist is the great professions, particularly for people like you. These are all the advantages why we want to learn this software. And the next one is, can you please mute yourself? And we have a question and answer session. We are going to discuss those things later. Okay. And who is using this software? See, when you see this one, by industry, banking, all banks are using this software. And communications, education, government, healthcare, insurance, almost all the industries, they are using this software. Almost all the industries. Okay, communications. Communications means, for example, Verizon, AT&T, or your Airtel or Jio. So they are using a lot of SaaS banks. Even in India, almost every bank in US they are using SaaS. Who is a good customer and who is not a good customer? India, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, HDFC, all are using SaaS. Even SBI also. All pharma companies, insurance companies, they want to calculate the insurance premiums. At the age of 20, where premium is less. At the age of 80, premium is very high because the chance of death is very very low in year of 20. The chance of death is high at the age of 80. That means depending upon the chance, depending upon the probability, they are going to they are going to calculate the premiums, all those type of things. They are going to do this. Manufacturing, we want to manufacture quality products with the minimum cost or minimum time. Retail industry, simply you are going with your Amazon website. Suppose if I want to bought this pen, I put it in a shopping cart. You know what happened? Immediately there is lot of products are coming. People who bought this product bought these also. That means there is a relationship between people who are buying this type of pen and this product, etc. coming up. Simply you are going with your Reliance Fresh, or if you are in US, if you are going with the Walmart. See, they are going to, if you want to buy one product and to Walmart, you can end up with coming with 10 products because they are going to arrange the products in that manner. And small and mid-sized businesses, utilities, etc., etc., etc. All these industries, they are using SAS for sure. And I told you 147 countries, more 83,000, 92 of this. This is from SAS website. It's not me. Company Facts and Financials is there in the website. You can go and you can check it also. See, requirements for joining this course. First, computer with internet facility. First requirement is computer with internet first. And Zoom, go to Zoom and download that app or something like that. Headset is preferable. For example, for me, I have a whole system is here with 5 or 6 monitors. Similarly, like I have a good quality microphone and all these things. Without having anything, I'm going to talk. My microphones are taking that voice. And MS Office is required in your computer because sometimes I'm going to provide you Excel sheet. Sometimes I want to give some document. You need to do that. MS Office is required. Adobe PDF Writer. I'm going to provide you some PDF files. That is for if you want to read those things, PDF reader is required. And the university edition for practice the homework programs. In the olden days, yes, SAS is very expensive software. Single user, it costs like $9,000, $10,000. Luckily, recently, SAS is put like a university edition exclusively for students like you. You need to practice. You need to use that university edition and practice all the homework programs, what we are going to cover in our curriculum. Okay. So, and most important is commitment. Commitment and hard work is most important. You need to do these things. If we have this, yes, this is the first thing. And we are going to help how you are going to download and install this university edition. There are so many steps. So definitely 4-step installation overview. How do you want to do this? VirtualBox and my folders and SAS University edition, etc., etc. Definitely don't worry about it. Even if you are not belongs to computers background, don't worry about it. Our people are going to help you to download, and our people are help you to start with your university edition. That's not a problem. I'm going to help you on those things also. This is the first step. You need to do this. And so university edition, download that university edition from SAS website when you see this. And you need to configure it with your my folders. Then start with your university edition. You are ready to go. So these are all the only 4 steps. Definitely you want to do all these things. Okay. So that is for university edition part. And now instructions. There are so many instructions. Otherwise, you can go with the download here. Also, you can do that. See, who wants to this? For example, a degree with statistics, computers, and mathematics, for example. First, suppose if they are in first year or if they are in second year, for example, first you need to do base SAS certification. Then after next year, summer, you need to go with advanced. And finally, you need to do some work. Some work, definitely you are doing some project. Better to do that project in SAS programming. Who? Degree, just bachelor's. Suppose B Pharmacy and Life Sciences people. First take this basics, learn the basics. After some time, you need to go to advanced. Then do some clinical project. If take a diabetic study or oncology study, whatever, like some clinical project. Anyway, I know B Pharmacy people, they are doing the final year project. 6 months of project is there. Whatever the topic, I don't know. I don't need it also. So if you want to analyze, if you want to calculate some statistics, better to use this software for calculating those statistics. That is the advantage. That means you are claiming, I have 6 months of academic experience, 6 months of academic experience with this project. Simply you are going to put this project in your project report, won't help. See, participation never give medals. Participation never give medals. Winning the race only giving the medals. So make sure that you need to do some work, then only do. Similarly for M-Pharmacy also the same thing. I know Pharma Day is a 6 to 7 years course, because yes, they want to get basics and advanced and clinical project. Suppose if you consider about these three people like big pharmacy students, they have their own traditional opportunities, like starting with their own pharmacy, starting joining into industry or something like this. I'm talking about alternative careers. Alternative career means you are going with the drug development and clinical trial area. Drug development and clinical trials area, that is the great area nowadays. So next one is for MBA graduate. Probably coming back to bachelor's, they did like a BCom or BSc or even BTech also. So business intelligence, data analyst, these type of projects is best fit for here. BTech, same data analysis projects. MSc with statistics or MSc with mathematics, MSc with life sciences, even physics. Big physics people are also having some mathematics background. So definitely these are all the things, and statistics or data analysis project is for them. So first task is get a certificate. Get a certificate. That certificate is helps you to grab the interview. Helps to grab the interview. That is the one thing. Okay. Now when you see this one, of course, this is, I have so many like in interviews, etc. everything, and somebody is going to share all this information to all of you. And next one is, see, most rewarding careers across the globe is data analyst, business analyst, data scientist. See, these are all the more than 2 crores of jobs available by 2022. So how you want to get it? Business intelligence for smart decisions, making better product, managing business efficiently, predictive analytics for predict outcomes. See, suppose you got an interview in a hospital. I'm asking a very simple question. Hey, which is the best hospital in Hyderabad? There are so many hospitals are available, like KIMS, NIMS, Apollo, etc., etc., etc. Which is the best hospital? Somebody mentioned Apollo. Somebody mentioned some. They have their own reasons why it is. But as a data analyst, as a data scientist, I'm asking you only one question: which hospital has minimum average bed time of a patient? Then I'm going to consider that is the best hospital. Which hospital has a minimum average bed time of a patient? Then I'm going to consider that is the best hospital. So same thing like this. So you need to take advantage of all those things. I told you another one is most important is these 10 things that takes zero talent. But zero talent, not necessary, but you will get 100% respect, because I told you, like, in this session, almost like 73 people, 75 people got registered. Joined is only 39. See, 10 things: being on time. On time, 5:30 means 5:30. Work ethic, effort, body language. You are able to see me. Nobody is in front of me, even though the body language, energy, attitude, passion, being coachable, doing extra, being prepared. These three are the very, 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 very important things that doesn't take any talent, zero talent. So make sure that you should work. No. So these are all very, very important, particularly for being on time, work ethic, effort, body language, energy, attitude, fashion, being coachable, doing some extra, being prepared. This doesn't have any talent, but 100% you will get a respect. As a student, make a habit of all these things. And also better to read some books like Seven Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey, and You Can Win by Showcare, etc., etc. Those are all very, very important to get a success in a corporate. I told you, like, Swapna is sending couple of emails, couple of messages. Can you please join with your first name and last name? See, when you join me, Venkati Kurti, Swapna Sanivarupu, something like that, better you need to follow certain rules. Those rules are like this. Simply, otherwise, you can see your phone names, etc., everything. No, not like this. See, my classes, I told you, if you are wasting 1 hour, you are losing that much of money. That's the one thing is I want to make it very clear on that side. And the timings 5:30 means 5:30. There is no exception. And say this one is, of course, we have other programs also, particularly people who wants to enter into corporate. People who wants to enter into corporate, 100% placement program is there. 6 months they need to work hard. They need to work hard. They need to get certification. They need to do some project. All these things. Definitely, that is for 100% placement programs, particularly in certain areas. And next, of course, I worked in a couple of American universities. Probably you know Telugu. This is the paper information like this. Now, when you see this, professional graduates looking for a job, US aspirants, don't waste your time. Something like this. This is the another concept of ours. Okay, we conducted so many sessions across the globe. I told you I am a US citizen. That means for last 22 years, I'm in US with different, people are staying in 23 years in US, working with the big pharma companies. I want to share my knowledge with here itself. That is one thing. And the next one is like I told you, like now I'm going back like question and answer sessions. What type of questions you have it? I have like when I see this, when I see uh, registration forms, I saw people with a couple of questions. So what is exactly a couple of questions is very simple. Somebody, yeah, this is the open for question and answer session. Because if I want to, somebody wants to join my questions. Oh, I have a lot of questions are here. When you see this one, how SAS is useful for pharmacy students? That's my first question here. See, SAS is used for pharmacy students is all pharmaceutical companies, they are using SAS for their drug development and clinical trials. You are a pharmacy person, pharmacy student, you know the business, like what is metabolism, toxical, all these things, you know that. You have a statistics paper in your curriculum, I know that. Only one thing is you don't know, that is for programming side. So if you know the programming side and you are the right person to enter into corporate, particularly in pharmaceutical companies, how SAS is useful to statistics students. So I am also a statistics person, statistics student. See, now I told you like, what are the opportunities for statistics student? Probably they are going to like work as a lecturer, for example. I know, I worked as a lecturer for 10 years. Advantages I know, disadvantages I know. Okay, so if you are entering into the corporate with a statistics background, this is the best time because data scientist, data analyst, statistical analyst, everybody. If I want to prove that there is a relationship between hypertension and blood pressure, I know correlation coefficient. If I have only 10 records, I'm taking the calculator and I'm calculating correlation. Suppose if I have a million records, is it possible for me to take the calculator? It's possible. It takes so much of time. For that case, I'm going to use a software. Which software? Sometimes it may be S plus or SPSS or R, SAS, etc. etc. See, I know most of these all these softwares. Why I want to go with SAS? 93% of Fortune 500 companies they are using this software. That's only one answer. So statistics person, if you want to enter into the corporate, yes, definitely it's very good. And last week also one company is asking for walk-ins. SAS certified professionals. So definitely you are the right person for sure. If we don't understand, can we attend again? Generally, it won't happen for sure. Sometimes it may happen because every person has their understanding things is little bit different. Definitely, we are going to encourage. That's not a big problem. But you need to justify yourself why I am not able to understand. Why I am unable to understand. Justify yourself. Otherwise, what happens? Simply, I want to join second time. Okay, you can join. Same story. Again, you are joining third time. The operation grand success. Patient dead. I don't want to take that type of bites. I have like almost like 90-95% success rate, particularly for people with certifications, 100%. Job is 90-95% across the globe. So I don't want to spoil my credentials, particularly for here. So you need to tell them, oh, Venkat, this is the reason I'm unable to understand. Okay, I'm going to teach. Again, that's not a problem. We miss the session, we can get the recording sessions. Generally, we are not going to record any sessions except this one. This one I'm going to record it right now because some people are not joining. Then I want to send the YouTube link to them. That's the reason I'm recording. Suppose every session I'm going to record it. Every session I'm going to record it. Then I'm sending the recording link to you. You know what happened? You are not listening. If you are in my classes, I'm telling you, you should be here, and that means in your class. You should watch the computer screen. Take a piece of paper. You can write it down, all these things. So three things simultaneously you need to do it. When I am in MSc student, my professor is writing like this, simply, duster is here, just erasing like this. That handwriting is also not that much good. Olden days, simply is writing. Simply we need whatever he is speaking, he is writing. So we need to listen his words and we need to write it down, take a notes. Take a notes. That type of concentration is required in my classes. That is the reason I am not recording any of the sessions. See, if you are not able to understand, yes, definitely I'm going to teach a second time. It's not a problem. If I'm going to recording session, you are not concentrating the topic. How recording is there? We'll take it. Nobody. If you go to YouTube, if you go to some Udemy, if you go to some other courses, they are taking less money for sure. They are all recorded sessions. There is no faculty business, only recording sessions. So that's the reason you need to have see, real faculty, live faculty cannot be a replace for YouTube. First of all, that's pretty much is clear. I'm asking each and every person in by name. Hey, just Priya, can you please tell me? Jyoti, can tell me all these things? That's what I'm going to ask. But in recording sessions, no, nobody is going to ask anything. So that's the reason generally I'm not going to record anything. What are the opportunities for management graduates in industry? Management graduates, you are managing the people. That means you want to improve the efficiency of the persons. Efficiency. That means if you understand what they are going to do and how to improve the efficiency. So that means you want to analyze their performance, analyze the sales of last 6 months, all the things. For that case, absolutely, this is a good software for them. Next one is SAS learning is better compared to medical coding or pharmacy students. See, I don't want to say exactly what exactly with the medical coding. Some people have fashion. Oh, I want to go with the medical coding. For them, I'm telling you, if you see pharmacy student, SAS is, they have like three options. One is pharmacovigilance, drug safety, and SAS programming in clinical trials. Out of these three, of course, apart from other opportunities, it's fine. These three, SAS is the best. SAS is the best. How career growth with the pharmacovigilance for pharmacy students? See, I'm working with the PKPD analysis people and pharmacovigilance side people. I don't want to make any comments on that side. See, I told you, like, ask your seniors. 5 years back, how is the life in pharmacovigilance? How is now? How is now? Okay, coming back to the real, 1998, I think, 1998, 85% of photographic paper manufactured by Kodak. Next couple of years, digital photography came into the picture. Almost like 180,000 employees lost their jobs. Kodak filed bankruptcy. That is the situation. If you consider about Bajaj Chetak scooter, Nokia phone, BPL television, Ambassador car, what all these things, Murphy radio, you know, now they are all in museums. They have excellent quality, but they are not in the market. Why? They are not changed according to time. Even though they have extraordinary quality, they are not changing the time. You are also the same thing. You need to change the time according to time. Whatever is demand is there, you need to learn. Upgrade your skills, upgrade, upgrade, upgrade. If you are not upgrading, Ambassador car is not upgrading. That's the reason that is in a museum. Nokia phone, BPL television, Vanida television. Say skills is, you have a skills, you need to upgrade your skills. That's the reason. Pharmacovigilance is good, but ask your friends, ask your seniors, what is the positions. Then you need to decide. MBA with SAS certification will help in industry. Absolutely. Business intelligence. Absolutely. Always remember this, a global recognized certificate is always advantage. You are one step ahead compared to other students. You will get an interview. You need to talk. You need to talk in interview. How you are going to talk. Tell me a little bit about yourself. What is your strengths? What are your weaknesses? This is the way you need to drive the interview process. Then only you are able to get a job. Coding is simple in SAS. As pharmacy student working about coding, see that is not a problem because I have thousands of students with pharmacy and life sciences background. So they are all working in industry. Absolutely, coding is not a problem. SAS already wrote so much of coding. Just simply we need to call. We need to call. But which procedure we need to call? We are going to explain those things. That's not a problem. That's not a problem. And what are the opportunities available for industry after learning? After learning, opportunities means a clinical SAS programmer, statistical analyst, bioequivalence analyst, bioanalyst. These are all the opportunities. Opportunities are available. Okay. SAS certification is needed to get a job. I told you the same thing. SAS certification is helps you to get an interview. See, a clear rejection is better than fake promise. A clear rejection is better than fake promise. What I'm going to tell, I'm telling you, like, if you have a certificate, you are one step ahead compared to other people. That is 100%. That's one. See, SAS certification needed to get a job. I started my SAS career in 99. I got my certificate in 2008. When you see this one, that means on that time it's fine. Nowadays, if we have a certificate, SAS certificate from SAS Institute, definitely you will get an interview. In interview, you need to talk. You need to talk. Otherwise, we are not going to help anything. So that's the reason there is a overall growth. Subject, certification, good communication skills is required to get a job. Do you have any program that provide placement assistance? Just now I told you, like, we have like a internship program. That's a 6 months internship program is there. That is for 100% placement. In that 100% placement, you need to get your base SAS and you need to get your advanced and you need to go with like a clinical side. Then after that, we are going to give a dummy project, a real-time situation, something project. Then you need to do the project and you need to prepare the resume, all these things. That is 6 months, a full-time program. Only these first 2 months now, because of this pandemic, we are giving first 2 months with the offline, like, online. So you can join with the Zoom meetings and you can work on those things. After that, when we are starting with the project, yes, you need to come and you need to work with the demos or adverse or physical exam, etc., etc., etc. The next one is, I told you that one. After getting certificate, please provide the information which companies are going to take interviews for SAS certification candidates. See, definitely we are going to provide you that information. That information is, most of the information is available in online also. Online, if you go to dice.com or monster.com or all these naukri.com, you will get all that information. But getting the certificate, working hard is most important. That you need to do that. You need to do that. So somebody is asking all these questions. I think you have any questions, you can put it in a chat window. So this is our approach. This is our clear approach about these training sessions. See, now I think you need to decide yourself, and those who are registered for this tomorrow first thing, complete the remaining formalities, and I have a question. And you need to install this SaaS University Edition. We are going to help the step by step process. Step by step process, then you can get it all these things, that's the first step. The tomorrow at the actual session, the first presentation is going to start by 5:30 sharp, 5:30. And we already sent an invitation for this, same meeting number and the same password, same meeting number and the same password. And if you don't get to qualify marks in examination, see, that is one thing, So far now, you people are working with 40 marks is your qualifying, or 50 marks is your qualifying. Now, first time you are thinking about 725 out of 1,000 is the qualifying. Of course, that's right. That's tough. Definitely, we have like some training sessions, what type of questions you are going to get it, what type of, all these things we are going to help. That is not a big problem. That too, after 30 days of hard working, then only we are encouraging people to take the certification examination. Okay, what asked in SAS examination, anything related to pharma or only SAS coding? But SAS certification is exclusively for base and advanced, only SAS related, not pharma. If you go to clinical trials side, yes, they are asking some CDs, SDTM, etc. everything. For base and advanced, only this. Somebody is asking a question, sir, currently I am working, my working time is 9 to 5. By means, if I could not attend the class by 5:30, I have recorded class of the days. See, exceptional cases, for example, if you have like 9 to 5, nowadays everybody is working from home. Everybody is working from home. So on that time, simply you are taking another computer and listening the class. It doesn't make any, like, suppose if you are going to the work, 5 o'clock up to I'm there itself, I need to come back here by 5:30, it's not possible. No, that is not the cause. In exceptional cases, if you are telling, definitely we will help to record these sessions. That is exception. Generally, I don't want to record any sessions, because if you are not recording means, if I'm going to tell them, you are listening each and everything, you are listening each and every concept what I'm going to explain. Suppose if you are not able to understand, then you are asking, hey Venkat, can you please explain this again? That's when I can do that. That is the one thing. So that is the reason I want your concentration in the class. That's the reason I'm not recording. That's the one thing is. Yeah, any other questions? Somebody asking question, how career in pharma industry and the SaaS, which has good growth. So definitely, when you are asking a question like this, what is your educational background? You are with pharmacy background, or you are with the MBA background, or you with the computer science background, statistics background. Definitely, pharma industry is good, because if a doctor is making a wrong diagnosis, patient may die. A pharmacy graduate like you dispense a wrong medicine, same thing is going to be happen. A clinical data analyst like me, if I make a wrong decision, thousands of people are going to be affected. That is the reason as good growth. And you are with the pharmacy. You mentioned you are a pharmacy. See, frankly speaking, what are the opportunities for pharmacy students? First one is traditional, starting with your own pharmacy. When you go to a pharmacy, there are 10th failed candidates are dispensing the medicines. They grab all your jobs. If you go to industry, a BSc chemistry person is grab all your opportunities. If you want to market a new drugs, a BCom graduate is grab all your opportunities. Luckily, Clinical trials and drug development, not that much. You only competitors is you and the statistics student. Only you and statistics student. So for that case, definitely there's a better growth. Suppose even if you want to go to abroad, you know that concept pharmacy students, remember this one, after 2002, a pharmacy graduate from India is not eligible to take NAPLES examination. Not eligible to take NAPLES examination. NAPLES examination is registered pharmacist examination, qualifying. You're not eligible. How you are going to survive? Pharma companies. What pharma companies are going to do? Clinical trials, drug development, PKPD analysis. There you have plenty of opportunities. So that is the reason. Yes, definitely SAS is one of the good option for pharmacy and life sciences students. Any questions? And you are able to see my computer screen here itself. That contains a lot of my information, my contact information, everything. And why there is no NAPLEX? That is not my end. That is, I don't have any answer for that. But according to that, if a pharmacy graduate after 2002, a pharmacy graduate from India is not eligible to take NAPLEX examination. That I can say. Okay.